Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? So, in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can get remote jobs that will pay you $800 to $1,500 here in Nigeria or from any African country. You understand? And it is fully remote and easy to apply for the job. So the first thing I'll be looking at here before I even go far is I will be asking you guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Turn on the post notification bell so whenever I drop content like this, you receive the notification sharp sharp. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So the first thing I'll be doing is to read out this tweet, because I got the website from this tweet and I did my research and I realized that the website is actually genuine. So it says Feyi Shayo posted on his page or his Twitter account saying earning in dollars is the thing, yeah, all, which means earning in dollars is the real deal. This girl hardly leaves her house but gets a delivery from DHL every often. Now, if you are in Nigeria or any African country, you will know that to get delivery from DHL, you guys be loaded. So get a DHL every often. Omo, I just discovered she works as the customer service agent for an international company. Duh. She was kind enough to share the website she uses. Now, not everybody will share their website with you here. Now, not everybody will share their website with you here in Nigeria, but this lady did share her website, and I went to research about it and I looked into it and I realized that the website is actually legit. So let me show you guys the website. So this is a particular website. It's loading. Name of the website is visajobshq.com. visajobshq.com. You get? In fact, on this website, they have jobs that they can offer scholarship to come and work for them. As you can see, it says source for international jobs in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, Middle East, and Asia that sponsor work visa for highly skilled international candidates all over the globe. Now, this website is majorly for international people. Like, it is majorly for international people. Anybody you see that posts on this particular website is not here to look for anybody that is based abroad. They are here to look for you and I that are based maybe somewhere in the African country or somewhere that you can work remotely and get paid. So, and on this their website, they upload their jobs almost every hours. Like, they upload their jobs every day. So there is nothing like I came on this website and I'm not seeing job, or the job I'm seeing is from last 3 months, something like that. As you can see, they have a customer success specialist, work from home. You can do this job from anywhere you are. It is remote. This job was posted 8 hours ago. Now, for the executive admin, you can earn as low as $800 or $1,200 monthly to work from home on this website. Good. The next one here is as a virtual assistant, $800 to $1,500 monthly, work from home. It is remote. So you have a lot of them. This executive assistant, this one customer success manager, this one, as you can see, they are all posted recently, like 8 hours ago. Sales rep, onboarding specialist, depending on what you can do. General one that I even know that almost anybody can do is the virtual assistant job, or the executive assistant, or the customer success manager. It's quite a bit easy, you understand? So most people can do it. And if you don't even have the skill, you can go to Digital Define ND to get a free certificate and a free course. Go through their courses, take their courses and get skilled. You get certificate for those courses, but at least you already have the mindset. You've already trained yourself for those courses, so you can easily take interviews or answer questions from anybody that wants to employ you. You understand? And you can use, I have a video on how to open a Payoneer account. You can use your Payoneer as your means of payment. We also run a free, not free though, we are currently running a promo on opening PayPal accounts that will receive money in Nigeria at a discounted rate. So hit me up if you are interested, which you can also use to receive your payment from any international company. You understand? So you can go as high as getting data analysis job, data engineering job, data scientist job. See, it has 441 jobs that you can apply to. 441 jobs, and in different field. They have the academic, they have the accounting, they have the acting, they have the admin, they have the architecture, they have the agriculture, they have the auto mechanic, automotive, data science, digital marketing, entertainment, just name it. They have all these courses with the available jobs. So just name whichever one you want to apply for, click on it and apply for it. Like I said, name of the website is visajobshq.com. Now guys, at this point, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for now? Like the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. You can also share our videos, like our videos, share to people that might be interested in such content on how to make money. Because a lot of people out there have what it takes to work online, but they just don't know it. You understand? They just don't know it. You don't have to be a tech guru before you can work online or work remotely from wherever you are. As you can see here, you can even chat them. Depending on what you want to do, you can chat them. Now let's just go up here and pick a job. Let's see if we're going to see the requirement of that job. Okay, now this is the particular job: customer success specialist, work from home. Said using our ticketing system, Zindex, and social media platform Discord, Twitter. You will be in charge of making sure customers are satisfied and handling regular customer requests. You will serve as the primary point of contact for customers, taking responsibility for their issue until they are resolved, and if necessary, elevating them to the product team for resolution. Now this is very easy. This is very easy. What you will be doing here is just a customer care job. Like, it is just a customer care job. What you will be doing on this particular platform, just a customer care job. Now the next thing you have to do is to click on this chat. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm trying to short it. You click on this chat and you chat with them that you are interested in this particular job they posted. So they'll ask you to send your details, your resume, and details. Then they will go through it and forward it to the company. The company they're talking about here, I think, is Zendex. They have the company name already. Now, if you cannot do that, you can go on Zendex platform itself. Type in zendex.com or zendex, and go on their career sections and apply directly on the website. So whichever one you do is fine. So I would just like you to go through all these jobs, all these available jobs. Apply for the ones that you know that you can apply for. Apply for as many as you can. It has no limit, so you shouldn't limit yourself to applying for one job and then relaxing. Rome was not built in a day, so you need to work more on yourself and you need to work towards making this cash. So guys, with all this being said, I would like you guys to head straight to visajobshq.com and start your application, start looking for jobs, start doing job. They have other things here as well that you can look into. They have their employers, they have their pricing, they have their candidates. In fact, their employers will tell you what they can afford to pay you. So just do well to go through their website, sign up, do whatever you know that you can do, ask your question, use the chat section, chat with their customer service, ask your question, and let me know what you guys think about this particular website. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.